Perfect. Now let's continue. We are now going to look at the variance per chromosome. So that will also be here. So I'll say for that one, we are going to use a bar chart. So I'll say bar chart of, let's say, number of variants per chromosome. Now let's generate the bar chart. So for the bar chart, you still need your values. I'll still use the variable count, but you can use a different name. It's also fine. So I'll say counts, then I'll specify. So for chromosome 5, it was 3707. Chromosome 12 was what? 4427. Chromosome 17 was 4095. So I have the counts. Now we need labels. So here, the labels are going to be the chromosome names. Okay, so you have CHR5, CHR12, and then CHR17. Make sure they are all in quotes, single quotes or double quotes. So I have the labels. Now let's continue. So here we will call bar plots. So I'll say bar plots, and I'll say counts, and I'll say main equals variant counts per chromosome. And then I'll say names.arg equals labels. And then for the x axis, that's the labels, I'll say x lab equals, and I'll say chromosomes. You can say chromosome or chromosome. That one, it depends on what you want to put there. So for now, I'll just use chromosomes. And then for the y lab, that's the y-axis label. That's y lab. Lab equals to variant counts. Let me format this. I'll send this to another line. Perfect. So this is okay. So now let's execute this command. Perfect. So we have that also generated. So there's the bar chart. Now it's possible to change the colors here. So let's take a look at something here. I'll just generate another one here. So I will define a color or colors. Let's first use colors. So I'll say colors. Let me just do this just to let you know that you can change the colors. So I can say red, blue, green. So if I define this color, then I need to add that information when plotting. I can say COL equals colors. So let's execute this command. Perfect. So now we have the colors displayed for us. So we have each chromosome and its color. So chromosome 5, chromosome 12, chromosome 17, they all have their respective colors. You can also use the same color. So if, let's say, you want to use blue, let me just define it here. So I'll say colors, say rep blue 3. I just want to repeat the blue text here 3 times. Then when I come to the command, I'll indicate the colors. So I'll say COL equals colors. So let's execute this command. Perfect. So we have that also done. So we have generated a bar chart with different colors. Okay. So that's how we generate bar chart.